Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I am here with my, monthly update. This is basically the first one I'm doing. I want to say last year, but it may have been like 2 years ago that I decided that every month I wanted to try and fill this jar, and so I kind of started again last month. I've been attempting it for quite a few months, but anyway, last month I got a little bit more serious about it, and mainly it's stuff I did for videos, but I thought we could take a peek together and hopefully make this a monthly thing. The first few items are from my Petticoat pigment test and review video. I think that's what I called it. They turned out beautifully, I think. I love the colors, and I don't know if any of you will know who I'm talking about, but there is a group here in Japan called Perfume, and one of their songs called Glitter, I feel like the colors kind of match their outfits from that music video. Anyway, next here are the charms or resin pieces from my villains video. I have two videos where I made these charms from the Sophie and Toffee Disney box, and this is how they turned out. I think this one is my favorite. My 4 villains pieces, I think I need to put bails on them or maybe drill holes and turn them into necklaces or bag charms to use at Disney when I visit. More pieces from a video. These are the little shaker charms, and I got lots of great advice from you guys on how to fill them with oil and seal them without making a mess. Here are the ones that I filled with oil. I'm kind of scared to put them in the jar because I don't want them leaking. Again, I think I like the queen from Snow White the best. I guess her colors are very bold and contrasting: black, white, red, gold. You guys didn't see these, but this is my attempt at making the shaker potion charms from the villains box, and it was my first time trying to coat molds and make hollow pieces, and it was a fail. I couldn't get the sides to seal, and I do want to try again because I think they could potentially be very nice looking pieces, but I got too frustrated at the time. You may have seen this in the jar, but it's a quick sneak peek because this is something I'm working on for a future video, but it is Animal Crossing themed. That's all you get to see. These are definitely not from May, but they have been sitting in there waiting for this update. They are my little Mount Fuji fan and wind chime charms, and I love how these turned out. The coloring, especially the pastel one. I just really love how this one turned out. This one looks really good held up to the light. I don't know if you guys can tell. Okay, so the rest is kind of stuff I was working on for potential videos. A lot of little pieces. I was trying out some resin molds and stuff, making a mess. But here are some pieces from a Daiso or Sedia mold. They really seem to like these little thin molds. You may see these in future videos. We shall see. Oh, there's a little shrink plastic Celeste for the Animal Crossing video I was working on. Little fruit pieces. Nothing complete, just little bits and pieces that I was trying out, different color combinations. It's just kind of fun to play around with resin and pigments. Little swan. More fruit. Oh, and the little diamonds from the Petticoat test, and then a lot of stars, and this is what I do with my leftover resin. I have a tiny star mold and I just make a bunch of these, and I don't know, maybe I'll use them for shaker charms or something, but they're always fun to play with. Anyway, that was my May update. The jar was not completely full, but I think I got a good start on it. Now, it already is mid-June, so I'm gonna need to work hard to fill this up for June, but it's a good way to keep me motivated and to kind of see how much I have crafted that month, and it's kind of a fun goal for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little mini update. Hopefully, I'll have more to show you guys next month and not just video stuff. I would love to see what you guys crafted. I have an Instagram and Twitter. You can tweet me or at me or DM me there and show me what you made. Anyway, I'll be back with more tutorials and all that good stuff. So I hope to see you guys in future videos. Bye!